the company was established in 2002. They manufacture and sell intelligent, scientific, and educational toys. Their mission, their core mission is to enlighten kids and cultivate the future. So this factory is actually ISO 9001 certified, BSCI certified as well. They all comply, all these products comply with the European and North American standards such as the EN71 and ASTM 4963. And in 2002, they actually launched their first intelligent entertainment robot in the toy industry. And that was also the inception of the company. If you remember from the first part of the video, I mentioned that the company actually started in 2002. They formed Jaki by the time in 2002 as well. So this time they developed smart robots, RC transformable cars, and similar toys. They also created the Kidian educational toys for babies. And currently they have three main product lines, which is the building blocks, the baby educational toys, intelligent RC series, and they have around 240 SKUs currently. And not only that, they export to different countries around the world, different regions around the world, such as in Europe or EU, North America, and other regions as well. I'd like to just mention that they have actually 10 professional workshops. They have lots of automated equipment, which I'll be sharing later on. And they have automatic laser marking machines, automatic soldering machines. They have 4 sets of automatic die cast machines, and all these things. Behind me is one of their injection machines. Now they have 40 of these. Now, this is not your hydraulic machine. What I have is actually electric powered. The difference with the hydraulic injection machines versus the electronically or electric powered injection machines is it has more accuracy, more yield, and more reliable. The advantage of having automated facilities or machines is higher yield and better and accurate, more outcome. As you can see, it starts from this first stage. They have all these blank cases here or enclosures. So it starts from here. All the cobs and all the gears are here as well, all the spring. And then this lady actually starts to screw everything. And then more parts are included. And this is the base part of the ones that are going to be featuring or that we may have featured already in the video. Those DIY building blocks music box, right? So this is the base part. So at the end here, if you follow me, you can see how fast, how quick it is that they produce these. Okay, it's not only about quality, it's not only about safety, it's about raising the bar. I'm gonna mention this specifically later on, but I just want to share this, this chart that I have here actually. So it shows the tension test, torque test, drop test, impact test. These are actually testing how durable these products are. Now I have all these different testing areas here, and of course everybody's familiar with the GB6675, ASTM F963, and EN71. This covers whether you're in Europe or in North America. It ensures the safety of your kids and how durable the products are as well. So you don't want to have these loose parts. You don't want to have a broken part that may endanger the child. They have the quality management system certification from CQC. They have their ISO 13485 since 2016, quality management certificate, ISO 901 in 2015, and all these certifications.